Hello friends, I am Santan. Today I am going to show how to make a voice control robot. The components required are Arduino Uno, Bluetooth module HC05, motor driver, two 9 volts battery, chassis, wheels, barrel connector, two DC motors and connecting wires. Okay, now we need to take the Bluetooth module HC05. We have 6 pins on this one. Out of this we use only 4 pins. These are VCC, ground, transmitter and receiver pins. Now we need to connect the VCC pin to the 5 volts of the Arduino. And the ground pin is connected to the ground pin of the Arduino. Any one pin you can connect. And the transmitter pin is connected to the third digital pin of the Arduino. And receiver pin is connected to the fourth digital pin of the Arduino. Like this we need to connect. VCC pin is connected to the 5 volts power supply and ground pin is connected to any one pin of the ground. Transmitter pin is connected to the third pin. And the receiver pin is connected to the fourth digital pin. Now we need to take the motor driver L293. There are 8 input pins. Those are A1, A2, ENA, VCC, ground, ENB, B2, B1, and there are 6 output pins. These are MA1, MA2, positive negative terminals, and MB1, MB2. These are to right motor and these two are for left motor. Those are MA1 and MA2 are for right motor and MB1 and MB2 are for the left motor. Now in the motor driver, A1, A2 and ENA are for the right motor and B1, B2 and ENB are for the left motor. And A1 and A2 should be connected to the 10 and 11 pins of the digital pins and B1 and B2 should be connected to the 11 and 12 pins of the digital pins and ENA and ENB should be connected to the plus 5 volts power supply of the Arduino. Now in the motor driver at the output side, as I said, we have 6 pins, out of which MA1 and MA2 should be connected to the right motor. The positive terminal of the motor, DC motor, should be connected to the MA2 and the negative terminal of the DC motor should be connected to the MA1. Now, for the left motor, the positive terminal should be connected to the MB2 and the negative terminal should be connected to the MB1. And the positive and negative terminals of the motor driver should be connected from the battery. Now we have to develop an app to control a robot using a voice. So we need to open Chrome and search for MIT App Inventor 2. Now click Create App. log in with your Google account and select start new project. Here type the name of the project. Now you will get a plain screen. Here we need to create our mobile app for voice control robot. Like this, I created the app for the voice control robot. This is the design for my app, which is going to look like this in the app. Now click on the blocks button. Here we are going to see the main program, how the voice controlled app is going to work. After developing the app in the MIT App Inventor, we need to install this app into our mobile. So click on build. Here we are going to see app provide QR code for apk. So click on this one. Now like this we will get a QR code. Scan this QR code in your mobile and download the app. Then you will get the voice control robot app. Now I am going to show the code for the voice control robot. This is the code for the voice control robot. We are going to perform certain operations like forward, backward, left, right and stop. As I said before, connect all the components to the Arduino and place all the components on the board, and also connect the wheels to the board. Now upload the sketch onto the Arduino. See here, it is showing that it is uploaded onto the Arduino. After that, what we have to do is connect the battery clip to the barrel connector like this using a tape, and connect the battery 9 volts battery to the barrel connector, and connect this barrel connector to the Arduino DC power supply. Take one more battery and connect to the motor driver. Like this, we connected the batteries here. Now take your mobile and open Bluetooth and on the Bluetooth and select HC05. The password will be either 0000 or 1234 and connect the Bluetooth to HC05. Then immediately open the app which you downloaded from the MIT App Inventor. Here it is showing Bluetooth option. Select the Bluetooth option here. Immediately it will show all the Bluetooth devices here, and select the HC05 Bluetooth device. Now The device is connected to the HC05. Here you can observe that the blinking of the LED gradually decreases after connecting to the Bluetooth. Forward. Right. Left. Backward. Stop.